Hi, welcome to physics. I'm Greg Fitzmaurice. I'll be your physics instructor. You can find my contact information down here on the bottom left of the screen. And you can navigate the class by going to the materials button right over here. Click on it one time and this will pop up. And our first assignment will be go to start here. Start here, week 1, introduction week. And to tell you a little bit about the class. Once you're into week 1, go here to where it says about you. Click on that. And it's just a short survey. Tell us a little bit about yourself so we can get to know each other. Once you're done with that, you'll be getting into just some of the course requirements, the syllabus, and getting into content then. So go ahead and do the About You assignment up here, and we'll talk to you soon.